Let's be honest. Most beauty advice feels like a to-do list. To do this, do that, buy this. It gets pretty tiring and overwhelming. But what if true noticeable beauty isn't about adding more steps to your morning routine? What if it's about a simple shift in how you move through your day? Now, let me tell you a secret. You know those pretty girls, the ones who look perfect even when they just woke up? Yeah, it's not luck or just genetics. They're just sneaky. They've mastered the art of looking beautiful without trying. And that's why, my lovely roses, today I'm going to show you how to get that effortless, pretty look every day without doing too much. So, get locked in. Don't move. Don't even sip water. I need you to fully focus so you don't miss anything. Chapter 1. The Hot Girl Mindset. Roses, before we touch skincare, lip gloss, hair clips, or outfits, we need to talk about the thing that actually makes a girl look effortlessly beautiful. It's not your face, it's not your body, it's not your skincare routine. It's your energy, your aura, your presence. Let me explain. Pretty girls don't rush. Pretty girls don't panic. Pretty girls move like life is soft, gentle, and designed for them. You need to start moving slowly, speaking softly, and acting like you have all day. This will make you look more elegant, more magnetic, more put together. This is the secret ingredient behind that effortless beauty you want. People will notice your vibe before they even notice your face. So, you need to have that hot girl mindset first before anything else. Chapter 2. The 5-minute pretty girl routine. Roses, listen closely. There are things you need to do daily that are non-negotiable. They'll only take minutes, but are sure to change how you look completely. So now, I'll show you the difference between looking okay and looking effortlessly hot every single day without lifting a finger. So let's get into it. Step 1. Wake up and glow. Roses, the girls who look naturally beautiful in the morning. They're not magical, they're strategic. As soon as you wake up, don't grab your phone. Go to the sink, wash your face first to remove all the sweat from last night. Then splash cold water on your face about 6 to 10 times and gently pat your skin dry. Cold water tightens your face, wakes up your features, and gives you that fresh, soft morning glow. After this, add a little moisturizer and then swipe on your lip balm or Vaseline for those soft glazed lips. Step 2. Lift your eyebrow. Roses, your eyebrows control your whole face. So take a spoolie or honestly a clean toothbrush. We're not judging here, and brush your brows upward and slightly sideways at the ends. Tap on the tiniest bit of Vaseline to keep them in place. This will give you that instant clean girl energy. Step 3. Your lip gloss. Pretty girls don't walk around with dry lips. It just doesn't happen. So always apply your lip balm in the morning, and your lip gloss before you leave the house. Also keep one in your bag for little reapply moments. Soft, glossy lips make your whole face look more feminine and more polished, even if you're literally wearing just sweatpants. Step 4. Your hairline and edges check. Roses, even on your lazy days, your hairline and edges must look neat. A clean hairline alone will make you look like you tried, even when you didn't. First, softly brush your edges, then gently smooth any flyaways with a little gel or serum. Clean hairlines and neat edges alone make you look 10 times more put together. Step 5. Make your hair. You don't need to do a slick bun every day. Just make your hair look intentional and neat. Do one of these: a French twist claw clip, a half up, half down, or a cute headband style. Whatever you choose, roses, keep it simple and soft. Your hair should look neat and adorable. Step 6. Smell good. Roses, smelling good is a superpower. Put a little perfume or body spray on your neck, wrists, behind your ears, and across your collarbone. And just like that, you'll smell pretty and feel pretty. People will notice you without knowing why. Chapter 3. Dress cute. Roses, hear me out. Looking cute every day is not about having a big wardrobe, buying new clothes every week, or wearing expensive designers. It's about working with what you already have, but doing it in a smart way. Let me show you how. Now, your new rule should be this: one simple outfit plus one cute detail, that's it. That's the whole formula. You don't need layers and layers of clothes. You don't need drama. And you don't need to overthink it. Just one simple outfit and one cute detail is enough to turn heads. Let me give you examples. A plain white t-shirt with jeans plus a tiny gold necklace. It may look simple, but it is cute. A simple dress and sandals plus a mini handbag would instantly give feminine vibes. And sweatpants and sneakers plus a fitted top would give you that model energy. Roses, it's not about what you wear, it's about how you style it. Now, let's talk colors. Because the colors you choose can make you look polished without doing anything. Stick to soft, clean colors like white, black, beige, soft blue, baby pink, or light yellow. These colors make your outfit look pretty even though it's simple. If you pair your outfits with a clean hairstyle and a cute accessory, you won't look like you're trying too hard. But you look like you've already found your style, and you know what fits you right, like an expert. Chapter 4, Soft Habits You Need. Now roses, let me put you onto something real quick. There are girls who look pretty, and then there are girls who look expensive. I'm not talking about the designer bag expensive. I mean soft, elegant, with a calm energy that makes everyone look at them twice. And the craziest part about this is, you don't need money to look like that girl. You need small daily habits that make you look polished. You know, tiny habits that you practice every day until they become your routine. So let's get into it. Number 1, your posture. Roses, listen up. You could be in a hoodie and sweats, but the second you sit or stand with good posture, you look instantly prettier. Roll your shoulders back, lengthen your neck a little, relax your face, and walk like the ground was made just for you. This is how to carry yourself with confidence, and people will notice it immediately. Number 2, walk like you matter. Stop stomping around like you are fighting the floor. Roses, walk lightly. Take soft steps. Let your movements look intentional and calm. You'll look more graceful, more attractive, and way more confident without even trying. Number 3, keep your nails clean. You don't need acrylics or long nails to look good and polished. Short, clean, and tidy nails give you that soft luxury, effortless beauty vibe. A quick filing, a little lotion, and boom, your hands will look feminine and well-kept. Number 4, smile pretty. You don't need to smile like you're in a toothpaste ad. Just keep a soft, gentle smile, especially when meeting people or walking into a room. It makes you instantly warm, inviting, pretty, and it gives you that friendly vibe everyone loves. Roses, these habits will make you look gorgeous, expensive, and magnetic without you doing anything extreme. Chapter 5, the effortless hot girl checklist. Roses, listen closely, because I'm about to give you the cheat code to looking pretty, polished, put together, even on days when you wake up looking all tired and confused. Let's get into it. Number 1, lip gloss. Roses, lip gloss is the easiest beauty upgrade in the world. The second you put it on, you go from tired student to main character. It makes your lips look full, hydrated, and expensive. It's giving soft, shiny, irresistible. Number 2, tuck your shirt in. I don't care if it's a hoodie, a tank top, or an oversized t-shirt. The moment you tuck in even one corner, your whole outfit transforms. Your waist looks smaller, your outfit looks prettier, and suddenly you look like one of those girls on Pinterest. Number 3, moisturized hands and elbows. Roses, I'm begging you, please moisturize your elbows and hands before stepping out. Dry elbows will betray you publicly. But moisturized elbows will give you that neat, I take care of myself energy. Number 4, tiny earrings. I promise you, tiny earrings make you look so much more put together. It's simple, it's soft, it's feminine. And it frames your face like magic. Chapter 6, why you don't look your best. Roses, I need you to hear this part carefully, okay? Because this is the part nobody talks about. The real reason some girls walk around looking effortlessly pretty, while others look tired, stressed, and kinda all over the place. And this has nothing to do with your face, nothing to do with being born pretty, but everything to do with your energy. Most girls don't look their best because they move through life like they're fighting for survival, rushing everywhere, overthinking everything, and dragging themselves through the day with zero softness, zero calm, and zero care. And that stress shows. It shows on your face, your posture, your whole vibe. It's time to move like life is gentle. Move like the world is on your side. And move like you're worth taking your time. Because roses, when you slow down, you instantly look prettier. When you walk with calm confidence, you instantly look more put together. Beauty isn't just about what's on your face. It's about the energy you're putting into the world. And I want you to try this tomorrow. When you wake up, don't rush. Don't grab your phone first thing. Don't jump out of bed like you're late for anything. Sit up slowly, stretch a little, and breathe. Move like the day belongs to you. Alright roses, if you made it to the end of this video, just know you're already becoming that girl. The girl who looks good without trying. The girl who glows even on her worst days. The girl who takes care of herself in the softest, prettiest way. You don't need money. You don't need thousands of products. You just need small habits that make you glow effortlessly. If today's video gave you even one new idea, go ahead and drop a little star emoji in the comments. So I'll know my roses are glowing with me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because this is your safe space, your pretty space, and we're getting even finer, even softer, even hotter every single week. I love you, roses. Stay glowing, stay gentle, and I'll see you in the next video.